Welcome to Maya Biotech Private Limited, a hub of innovation and excellence in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Surrounded by serene and verdant surroundings, nestled in the picturesque landscapes of Himachal Pradesh, this location enhances our focus on maintaining the highest standards in medicine production. Our core operations include the production of advanced metered dose inhalers, nasal sprays, ophthalmic drops, injectables, oral sublingual sprays, Maya Biotech began its journey with a clear vision: to strive for a world where high-quality healthcare and medical solutions are easily and safely accessible to everyone. Over the years, we have grown into a prominent force in the industry, driven by our unwavering commitment to quality and progress. Our business divisions span contract, third-party manufacturing, a robust ethical division, and pharma franchising, while our manufacturing facility in Baddi epitomizes our dedication. This setting supports our rigorous protocols for cleanliness and effectiveness, ensuring that our products meet the strictest quality benchmarks. At Maya Biotech, we offer a diverse range of pharmaceutical products. Our core operations include the production of advanced metered dose inhalers, nasal sprays, ophthalmic drops addressing various therapeutic needs, our innovative oral sublingual sprays, injectables, crafted in state-of-the-art sterile environments. We also manufacture radiology contrast media injections. Innovation is central to our mission, reflected in our research and development division, which focuses on formulation development, process optimization, and upholding the highest quality standards. We continuously refine our existing products and explore new therapeutic solutions to remain at the forefront of the industry. Maya Biotech invests continuously in the latest innovations and skilled personnel to maintain our competitive edge. We conduct rigorous testing and adhere to stringent quality control measures to ensure our products comply with the highest regulatory standards and EU GMP guidelines. Quality assurance is integral to our operations. Our commitment to quality and ethical practices is evidenced by numerous certifications and accolades, underscoring our dedication to excellence. With a robust international presence, Maya Biotech exports to countries across Asia, Africa, and Latin America. As our mission signifies, we are committed towards developing exceptional tailor-made pharmaceutical solutions backed by advanced research and technology. We are committed to positively impacting global healthcare by providing innovative and effective solutions to patients worldwide. We are innovating for a healthier tomorrow. Maya Biotech Private Limited. Contact us at mayabiotechindia.com for more information.